we also have a little segment we call undupable. Okay.
Yes.
So this is the part where you might break out into a sweat. It's okay. It's harder than you think, but I have a feeling you're going to be really good at it. Okay. So see this little pink thing right here? It's a timer.
Oh,
yes. Okay. So you're going to have 1 minute to name 5 undupable items in your life. Now, these can be products, places, things, objects, anything. It can be anything. It doesn't have to be product. It doesn't have to only be beauty. It can just be anything that is irreplaceable in your life.
Okay.
And if you can give me like a little description on why, and then we'll see how it goes from there. Okay, I have faith in you. I know. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. I'm telling you, it's hard. Okay.
All right.
1 minute, undupable. Go.
Okay. So the first thing is actually sparkling water. Period, or whatever kind of sparkling water. I try to drink a lot of water to hydrate my skin, and I don't really drink much water, so sparkling water has been helpful. Number 2, Netflix. I get stressed out a lot, and I need some content on the weekend to decompress. I watch a lot of Netflix, so that's the second one. Number 3, Disneyland. So I'm still a Disney fan, and I love the fireworks at Disneyland. So that would be the third one. Number 4, I would say K-beauty sunscreens. Korean sunscreens are a little different from American sunscreens because they allow a few other like filters. So the texture is a little different. So there's like a Dr. G sunscreen. Whenever I go to Korea, I buy a lot of Korean sunscreens. So that's the 4th one. And lastly, Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. It's been my staple in my bathroom, like body lotion. I need that to moisturize my skin. So that's the last one. Okay.
Wow. Wait, that was perfect.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. I was about to look. I was like, wait, she's doing really good. That was the perfect finish.
Are you hitting